Are you confused about hair care? Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and this is why I created the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box is the best way to learn how to take care of your hair naturally. You can make toxin-free hair care recipes with our special curated ingredients. You can say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to lovely, luscious locks. But don't just take our word for it, we have over 5,000 5-star reviews. Join the community of people who have switched to toxin-free living with our Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. You deserve healthier hair. Subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't wait to use this!
With a new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your essential oils. You get to make fun recipes because you get all the ingredients you need. You don't have to go to a party and get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun. Plus, you can cancel at any time. You don't have to commit to a multi-level marketing company. You'll save money, gain confidence of the toxin-free lifestyle, and get everything you need to make the recipes delivered right to your door.
That's hair! How much is it?
You get over $100 value with your first box for only $29.99. A big bonus box, hero course, essential oil community, exclusive discounts, free shipping, and a no-risk guarantee. You can't go wrong.
Are these even pure?
Each oil is 100% pure because every batch of essential oil is GCMS tested. Just enter the code on our website to see the GCMS test results. The pure essential oils in this month's box are Basil, which helps clarify the scalp and is uplifting. Rosemary is popular for thickening and strengthening hair. Biobegon is our blend that naturally deodorizes. And patchouli is really uplifting and helps strengthen your hair. Woohoo! You also get these fun extras. And with those amazing ingredients, you can make recipes like this restorative hair balm to help strengthen and lengthen your beautiful locks. And when you're styling that dazzling hair of yours, don't forget the Sunflower Heat Protector Spray. We're going natural, people. No synthetic fillers, fragrances, or toxic chemicals ever. Transform your hair care routine with the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box.